Let us remember Krishna's name. Satatam kirtiyanto mam, yatantas chadridavrita. Always remember Krishna's name. Oh, Prahlad, may we always remember Krishna's name. You were always chanting. You were remembering Krishna's name. And you were chanting. So please bless me that I can always remember Krishna's name. And please bless me that I can remember my identity as Krishna's eternal servant. And please bless me that I can always remember my Gurudev. You're always remembering your Gurudev, Narada Muni. And please may I always remember the teachings of my Gurudev, Narada Muni. And may I remember, and please Prahlad, may I remember Krishna day after day, moment after hour, moment after moment, hour after hour. May I especially remember Krishna at the time of death. But before that time comes, Prahlad, please bless me with that memory, that my memory will take me to the groves of Vrindavan. My memory will transport me to the apricot lila of the Lord. And I will enter the apricot lila of the Lord in the smaran, in my smaran. I want to go that far. I want to go into the apricot lila of the Lord and serve the Lord, Radha Gopinath, in the Rastikale Lila. And Prahlad Maharaj is such a great Mahajan. He's one of our Mahajans.